The Doodle Roll has been in the works for quite a while, actually 2 years to be exact. And our concept behind the Doodle Roll was to create an all-in-one activity kit for kids aged 3 to 8, where the mom or dad could make a quick impulse purchase without having to think a lot about how much money they were spending. And at under $5, it's a great impulse purchase, a great party gift. It's a great for all kinds of activities, team building activities, educational purposes. And one of the really unique features of the product is that the package itself is actually a dispenser. So all you do is snap open the top, pull out the paper, the crayons are self-contained, and you basically just pull out as much paper as you want, up to 30 feet for a large roll, and everything's right there. So we've really made this a family affair, Diana and I and our 3 kids. And we've had a lot of fun, coming up with different doodling ideas and creating our own characters for the Doodle Roll and where they all live on doodleroll.com. So this has been a difficult but fun, that's right, fun project that we're finally having the opportunity to launch at Toy Fair this year. And we're very grateful to say that the feedback and response has been extraordinary from all types of stores and activity centers and schools. So we truthfully are grateful for that opportunity and glad that so many people are interested.